Hello. We are starting classes. He understands the instructions. Do you understand the rules of the game? They understood the importance of the task. Did she understand the concept? She will understand the situation better. Will he understand the consequences? She lives in a big city. Do you live near your workplace? They lived in the countryside for years. Did he live abroad? He will live in a dormitory during college. Will she live alone or with roommates? He tells interesting stories. Do you tell jokes at parties? She told him about her day. Did they tell you the news? They will tell us the plan later. Will he tell the truth? She puts her keys on the table. Do you put sugar in your tea? They put the groceries away. Did he put the book back on the shelf? He will put the finishing touches on the project. Will she put the dishes in the dishwasher? They hate waiting in line. Do you hate doing chores? He hated the movie. Did she hate the food? She will hate the cold weather. Will he hate the new policy? We work hard to achieve our goals. Do you work overtime often? They worked on the project all night. Did he work at the company last year? He will work on improving his skills. Will she work with us on this project? She teaches English at the university. Do you teach music lessons? They taught their children to swim. Did he teach you how to cook? They will teach a new course next semester. Will she teach us the dance routine? He plays the guitar in a band. Do you play any sports? She played the piano as a child. Did they play board games last night? He will play soccer on the weekend. Will she play in the school play? We buy groceries every week. Do you buy clothes online? They bought a new car last month. Did he buy anything at the store? She will buy a gift for her friend's birthday. Will they buy tickets in advance? She sees her friends every weekend. Do you see any movies in theaters? They saw a shooting star last night. Did he see the new exhibit at the museum? He will see his family during the holidays. Will she see the doctor next week? Thanks for attention. See you in the next lesson.